Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. I'm sorry for the lighting क्योंकि आज का मौसम is really bad here and the day I'm shooting. So आप लोग कैसे हैं? मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ and I'm really sorry for being so late in posting the video. मैंने कब का डाला हुआ था कि मैं जल्दी पोस्ट करूँगी बट आई हैव बीन प्री ऑक्यूपाइड एज यूजुअल विद अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स क्योंकि शादियाँ थी घर पे. आगे भी मेरी कज़न की शादी है, मेरे एक कज़न का शादी ऑलरेडी था एंड देयर वर लॉट ऑफ अदर मैरिजेस एंड मेरा काम एवरीथिंग वाज आई वाज सो प्री ऑक्यूपाइड विद अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. सो थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया. So I hope you all are doing great and I just thought कि let me post it on Instagram that I'm going to post a video tomorrow ताकि एक वो मोटिवेशन सा रहे कि नहीं मुझे वीडियो शूट करना है. So that's what I did post it on Instagram that I'm going to post a video tomorrow and yes, here I am back. So it's not a makeup video, it's not nothing, it's just a review video. And a review as in the sense कि मैं कुछ सामान लेके आई थी. I got some stuff from Amazon. I got some stuff from an Instagram store and also from Purple because Purple पे sale था. I do shop from Purple a lot because that's one of my favorite websites to shop from. So I'll show you those. So yeah, shopping तो चलता रहता है but thank you so much for sticking around with me. Thank you so much for being there, not leaving by my side, and thank you everybody. So yeah, so let's get into the video. Before that, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe, and please comment down below if you have any queries, any suggestions, or I will be really happy. So let's get into the video. So first मैं कुछ बहुत कम थोड़े बहुत ज्वेलरीज आई गॉट बिकॉज शादियाँ हैं एंड बहुत सारे फंक्शंस थे तो मैं कुछ ज्वेलरी लेके आई हूँ. तो let me show you those first. I got all of these from Amazon. I'll link it down in the description somewhere and somewhere on the screen I'll put the price क्योंकि मुझे प्राइजेस याद नहीं है क्योंकि काफ़ी दिन हो गए. So this is one ring that I got from Amazon. It has a black stone and all cute little diamantes all over. So cocktail ring type का है क्योंकि मैं एक ब्लैक ड्रेस पहनने वाली हूँ, मैं उसकी वजह से ये रिंग लेके आई हूँ. दिस इज़ वेरी प्रिटी एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट वन. The second one is like a set. It's a cute little single line diamante set. It's like an American diamond set. CZ stone बोलते हैं इसको. Cubic zircons. Yeah, the same thing. It's just a set. It's like this. And उसके साथ उसका कान का it's like this. They are not danglers exactly, they are drop earrings. So this is one and the last one this I have got for my cousins. So this is the one. This is very beautiful. I got it off from Amazon. This has this beautiful beads ka mala with a big pendant which is green and a red stone with like it's like a kundan thing and the earrings goes like this. It's very pretty, it's very beautiful. These are not very heavy pieces, very simple pieces. बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी हो जाता है तो मुझे कैरी करने में प्रॉब्लम होता है. तो these are the simple pieces. These are the 3 pieces that I got. Very affordable, काफ़ी affordable भी था and again sorry for the lighting again. तो yeah, काफ़ी affordable भी था and it was good. So the next that I'm going to show you now is from this internet store that I got. I don't exactly remember the name of the store, but the girl who I spoke to and who was there, the agent, her name was Simran. I will link down the store, the internet the Instagram store, and from them I got quite a few things, and I love all of them. The first one being this is the Enzo hairspray, because I have a lot of hair growth, like baby hair, these days. So whenever I'm doing some hairstyle or whatever, it's not, my baby hairs just sticks out. So this is really really good. This helps me to keep my baby hair in place. All I do is take a brush or a very fine tooth comb and spray it. This I spray this and I just do it. I just comb my hair with that, so it just keeps the baby hair in place. It's very good. It smells really well. So this costs me around retailed, it was just 150 bucks. This is very nice, very affordable. If you are new and you are new to these hairstyling things and all, you can please try it, because other hair sprays जो कि स्कोस्कोफ के होते हैं या फिर बहुत सारे आते हैं, वो थोड़े कॉस्टली होते हैं. एंड टू इफ़ यू डोंट नो हाउ टू यूज़ इट, यू शुड नॉट इन्वेस्ट in such heavy products or such costly products. So मेरे हिसाब से this one, it just costs you 150 bucks. You can just go for it. It's also available in all these Miso में available है. This is also available in Amazon, in Snapdeal. I've seen it in a lot of places. So अगर वो Instagram store से भी नहीं आपको मिल रहा है, तो आप किसी और जगह से भी आप बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं. So this is the Enzo hairspray one. The second one is SFR Color, the Blush Nude palette. This is a dupe of the Blush Nude palette from Maybelline. It has almost the similar colors, almost the similar colors. Can you see it? Yeah. It has a stark black. It has a shimmery champagne color. It has a shimmery brown color. So these, I don't know if you will be able to see it because of the lighting, but so these are the colors that you get in this one. This is very affordable. This was around 175. It cost me 175. If you are into nudes and if you're into a simple eye makeup stuff, then please go for this one. You can also मतलब आप स्पेंड कर सकते हैं दूसरे अच्छे पैलेट्स में, बट इफ़ यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग, नो, like I am not a pro in makeup. I will never say that I'm a pro in makeup. I still practice on myself or someone else. So because मैं बहुत प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ मेकअप को परफेक्ट करने के लिए, तो मैं बहुत कॉस्टली प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ, because I know I'm going to goof it up in some way or the other. कभी कभी ख़राब हो जाता है और something like that. So मैं हमेशा थोड़े से affordable products ही यूज़ करती हूँ, क्योंकि I just feel that way. That so this is a good product. This costed 175 and it's a good. It also has great pigment. बहुत अच्छा pigmentation है, मुझे अच्छा लगता है. I find it good. I have used it quite a few times now, but I find it good. The second one is from a brand called Angel Rose. It's the bronzing, highlighting and the blush palette of theirs. So you can see it has blush, it has a bronzer and it has two highlighters. Very pretty, very beautiful. The only thing is that they are very powdery, like powdery बहुत ज़्यादा है. It's not very pigment is really good. Pigment, I'll show you. I've just taken this, just one swipe of this. The pigment is really really good, but it's a little bit powdery, but it's usable. Like it's not that bad, but the only problem is it's powdery, and it costed me around 225 rupees. Yeah. So it was 225 rupees. It's from the same internet store. It's very good. I have used the blush, I've used the highlight. I haven't yet used the bronzer, but the highlights are really good. It just pops up in the sun really well. I'll just. So it just pops up in the sun when you are in the sun and you put this highlight on you. So it really pops up well in the sun. Apart from that, it's a good palette again for practice or for just you're just playing around with your makeup. You can always use affordable palettes. That's not a problem. The next one is the SFR color Moonchild Highlighting Glow Kit. This is a dupe again for Anastasia highlighting palette. I don't remember the name, but Anastasia Beverly Hills has the same highlighting palette. I've seen it all over internet with all the influencers that I follow. So they use that Anastasia one. That's a nice one, and it's a dupe of that. It has a purple shimmer. It's like a unicorn kind of a palette. It has a yellow, it has a pink, it has silver. So it's a nice one, and nice names to that also. Very pretty. Pink Heart, Lucky Clover, very nice. It's a good palette. It's not very chalky or not very powdery. It's a good consistency. The formula is good for this palette. It also costed me 250 rupees, and for 250 rupees you're getting 6 shades of shimmers. So मेरे हिसाब से it's a good deal. अच्छा है. And SFR color is a good like a local brand. It's a good brand क्योंकि मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को इसको यूज़ करते हुए देखा है, एंड इसका रिव्यू भी काफ़ी अच्छा था ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. तो it's a good palette. You can go for it if you want. Last but not the least, from the Instagram store is something that I always eyed on, and it was always on my wish list. I wish to get it, and it's the Beauty Glazed Colorboard palette. So this is my favorite thing right now. I came to my house, Katak mein, a few days back, and I only had to carry this palette. I only had to carry this palette with the nude one because I didn't have to carry anything else because it has all the colors. It has a green palette with all the beautiful greens. It has a bronze shimmer out here. It's a shimmer. It's not a shimmer. It's a pressed glitter. It has a beautiful pressed green, dark and light green. It has a pink. It has a yellow. It has a white as well. With the pink palette, it has a golden, which is beautiful, and it has a red pressed glitter, which is even more beautiful. So if I can show you this. Can you see how beautiful this is? This is very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. This pressed glitter. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it has to be used in a certain way. You have to use a little bit of your setting spray before you use this pressed glitter. It also has a beautiful salmon pink here. It's a very beautiful color. I've used it on my eyes and it's look really, really pretty. Then comes the blue palette. The blue also has a neon yellow. It has a sky blue, it has a dark blue, it has a navy blue, it has a navy blue pressed glitter, it has a sky blue pressed glitter, it has all these shimmers. Beautiful. But my favorite is the purple and the pink one. So purple has always been very very favorite of mine. So I love playing with purple. So it has all these purple colors and a purple pressed glitter, purple shimmer, pink shimmer. It has an orange, which is also very nice. So it has all the colors that you need, that you want for your eyes to play with. This costed me 675 or 650, I don't remember, something of that sort. I'll mention it somewhere on the screen. So this was also very affordable, and yeah, I really liked it. So the next thing that I'm going to show you are some things that I got from Purple. So Purple had a sale and I got a few things from Purple as usual. So I'll show you. So the first thing that I got from Purple is this Lair Shot perfume, like body spray. I really like this blue one because it smells really nice. It's very floral and very minty, and it's really good. I really like this one. This costed somewhere around 150 bucks, because it's 195, but it was on sale. I'll mention the original price as well as the sale price somewhere on the screen. So this is the Lair Shot body spray. Deep Desire. I really like it. It's really good. The next one is a restock. It's a restock of the L'Oreal Revitalift. I was over with this and I wanted to restock. I kind of restocked a lot of things. So I restocked the L'Oreal Revitalift. This is one of my favorite serums. This is very nice. If you put it before your makeup or in a daily basis also, आपको ये बहुत हेल्प करेगा. तो मुझे ये बहुत पसंद है. Again, I'll write the price somewhere on the screen. I don't remember the price of all these things. So yeah, this is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence Soothing and Radiance. So this is a very nice serum. The next thing that I got, I wanted to try on because to be honest, मुझे नहीं आता है आई लैश लगाना. एंड मेरे लैशेस खुद बहुत काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. मेरे लैशेस, मैं मस्कारे के 2 कोट लगाती हूँ तो ऑटोमेटिकली मेरे लैशेस सही हो जाते हैं. तो मुझे लैशेस का इतना शौक नहीं है. बट आई हैड माई कज़न्स वेडिंग, सो आई जस्ट थॉट कि मैं ट्राई करूँगी, क्योंकि मुझे लगाना नहीं आता. मुझे नहीं पता मैं कैसे लगाऊंगी. बट आई गॉट अ पेयर ऑफ lashes. This is Gubs party eyelashes. These are काफ़ी funky से eyelashes हैं. I don't know what am I going to do with it, but let's see. If I do a makeup video for my cousin's wedding, I will definitely try and do it. So yeah, so this is Gubs Be Beautiful Inside Out Party Eyelashes. So this is the next thing. The next thing are 2 mini size Stay Quirky Hide My Hickey concealer. So I got a concealer like a bronzer in a bronzing color, थोड़ा सा डार्क में पहले, और दूसरा जो है वो है इन अ कंसीलर कलर like similar to my skin tone, a little lighter although. So I got 2 colors like that. So एक थोड़ा डार्क है, थोड़ा लाइट है. मुझे चाहिए था ये, तो मैंने ये मंगाया है. नेक्स्ट अ रीस्टॉक अगेन द शुगर अपटाउन कर्ल लेंथनिंग मस्कारा. This is in 01 Black Beauty. This is one of my favorite mascaras. This is a restock again. Next, so the next one is also from Stay Quirky. This is the Badass Kajal. This is obviously in black. This is beautiful. This is very dark and stark black kajal. I have ran down with most of my kajals, but I got a very good review of the Stay Quirky Badass Kajal. Someone has suggested me. Sorry, I got a call. Someone has suggested me. So yeah, this is a good one. This is also very smudge proof. This is nice. I really like it. So the next one is from NY Bay. This is the big apple of my eye kohl. This is in the color white. So this is the white one. I needed a white retractable. I had a white pencil one, but the pencil one was not that nice, so I got a retractable one because it applies better. The next one is a lip liner from Swiss Beauty. This is in the shade Sandy Pink. I wanted a very neutral lip liner ताकि मैं उसको हर किसी के साथ यूज़ कर सकती हूँ. Like this also I can use. Always have a neutral lip liner because if you have a neutral lip liner आप इसको bold colors के साथ भी pull off कर सकते हैं, light colors के साथ भी pull off कर सकते हैं. It's easier. The next one is I got this for my mother. She likes this color. I have put it today. आज मैंने उसको डाला हुआ है, but this is for my mama. This is from NY Bay and Shakti collection. This is the color Sassy Samba. This is a very very pretty chocolate brown color. Very very beautiful color. It's absolutely beautiful. I really like it. So this is for my mother. She really likes this color. The next one is a spoolie that I got for myself because I have ran out of a lot of spoolie. This is called Filoni, and I am obsessed with my eyebrows, and even if I don't put color in it, I always try to comb my eyebrows to keep it in place. I love spoolies, and I got this. I have one with my sugar का the eyebrow filler, but वो मुझे थोड़ा सा problem करता है क्योंकि मैं I just lift it and sometimes fill the part which is a problem. So this is good. A separate spoolie is always good. So this is that. Last but not the least, I have got this tint, wine lip tint. This was actually a free gift with all the products I got. No, this is not the last one. I got this free gift. This is a lip and cheek tint. This is in a beautiful dusky rose shade, which turns into a pink, and it's very very pigmented. It's highly pigmented. Like I have to just rub it off my hands. I've used it once, and you can use it on your cheeks, some on your lips, some on your eyes. You can do whatever you can do. So this is very good. This is in color wine lip tint in rosy coral. This is a good color, and this is very nice. Again, I'll write the price somewhere in the screen. This was a free gift, so इसका price लिखने का कोई मतलब नहीं है, but I'll still write it down somewhere. So it's a good one. See, you can see the rosy tint on my cheek. So it's very pigmented. It's a good lip tint, affordable, very affordable. And I also got a few क्या बोलते हैं, gifts, free gifts, like samples. The first one that I got was a serum, Radiant Glow serum. Good Vibes का Rose Hip का जो सीरम आता है वो मुझे मिला एक पैकेट, मतलब लाइक क्या बोलते हैं उसको, sample. Then again next sample that I got was from Dermadoc का sun protection gel creme that I got as a sample. Then Alp Goodness का Rose and Squalane hydrating gel body lotion का एक sample, and also Dermadoc का age defining microfiber sheet mask. So I got these as a free gift with all the other things that I bought. I am happy with my purchases this time because I didn't over purchase anything. I did purchase as much as I wanted, मतलब ज़्यादा नहीं, एकदम जितना मुझे चाहिए उतना मैंने purchase किया है. So I was happy with my purchase this time. It was not a lot, and I didn't get a good mouthful from my mother or from my husband. So yeah, so that's it for my video today, and I hope it was good. I know there was a little fumble and stuff क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा सा बहुत दिनों बाद वीडियो कर रही हूँ, तो आई एम अ लिटिल लाइक you know what I mean. So yeah, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please watch this video. Please tell me your suggestions, I'll really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye bye.